If you're like me and after you've made a red curry, there's just that little bit of red curry paste left in the jar, well, don't waste it. Here's a fantastic tasty tip for you. In my jar, I've got about a teaspoon left over. Red curry paste, a combination of lemongrass, galangal, lots of chilli. So there's so much flavour in there. And then for my dressing, it's as simple as adding 3 tablespoons of coconut milk. And that is the fat component to this. It's going to give it a lovely creamy flavour. A splash of light soy sauce to season it. And we need some acidity, so because I'm keeping with those Southeast Asian flavours, some gorgeous lime. And look how juicy this lime is. Oh, so good. So we'll add a lot of that in there just to balance it out. Lid goes on. And give that a really good shake. And you'll see it is perfectly emulsified. That's ready to pour over your favourite salad. Here I've got a gorgeous pork salad with lots of rainbow vegetables, carrot, you've got some cabbage and loads of herbs like coriander. That is the simplest of dressings, and the best thing is nothing goes to waste.